Good day, this is Arn Obantao and welcome to my channel. For today's video, meron ako i-share sa inyo paano i-activate si Globe One. Since yung ating redeem ay hindi na po siya makuha dito sa ating manual, for example, asterisk 143 and the sign number. And before kasi is pupunta tayo dito sa reward 9. And you will see, upgrade your reward with Globe One. You may continue to enjoy and redeem your favorite rewards using the Globe One app. Download it now via Play Store or App Store. So ito is available ito. So yung Globe One is available siya sa Play Store or App Store. Kung Play Store, kung Android phone yung ginagamit natin. App Store naman kapag Apple. Alright. Hindi natin mariredeem through asterisk 143 sign number. So dito na tayo sa Globe One. Hindi ko matandaan kung nakapag-register na ako dito sa Globe One. And paano nga ba tayo mag-create ng account sa Globe One para makaredeem tayo ng reward? Kasi dahil before kapag naglo-load tayo, automatically may makareceive tayo ng reward. For example, sa 100, sa 50 pesos is 1 points. Alright, kasi yung points na yon ay magagamit din natin. Depende rin po natin gawing load. Depende rin po sa points na gagamitin natin. Alright, so for example, kapag wala ka pa namang account, tatap lang po natin si create an account. And then, begin your journey with us. Ilalagay lang po natin dito yung mobile number. Okay, na-input ko na yung mobile number. Tapos i-continue. This number is already been used to sign up to Globe One. Go back. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung aking password. Tap ko nga uli. And login ko na lang through my mobile number. Na-input ko na yung aking mobile number. Iba-blurred ko lang siya for security purposes. Tapos i-continue. Wait ko lang yung verification code. And allow ko lang. Okay. Na-input ko na yung ilalagay dito. Welcome back. Enter your PIN for this number. Ano ba yung PIN ko before? Ipoforgot ko na lang yung PIN. Di ko sure kung di ko natandaan na eh. Di ko na matandaan kung ano yung PIN ko dito. Ipoforgot ko na. Since na meron tayong passcode dito. Okay. Meron tayong PIN. Pinorgat ko si PIN and then tapos i-continue. Okay. Verify to my mobile number. Allow ko lang. Okay. Enter your no pins. Okay. Yung combination naman ng PIN natin is 1 to 6. I-input ko. And then para mag-login ako, i-input ko na yung aking PIN. And enable biometrics. Make logging into Globe One more convenient. Okay. Register fingerprint authentication. Okay. Let's start. Okay. And ito yung pinaka-dashboard. This is my nickname and then yung number is, for security purposes. And yung aking number is registered. Alright. And makikita din natin dito yung ating load balance. And makikita din natin dito yung ating data left. Out of 24 gig, I have 12.56 only calls, only text. Okay. So, only text lang to. And then, sa GCash is connected din siya. Aking GCash balance andito din. So, hindi ko na ipapakita. And then, andito yung mga services. So, yung mga services dito is Globe Reward Plus, Buy Promos, Buy Load, My Top Pick, Go Earn, and then No Voucher, Register Your SIM. Kapag hindi pa register yung SIM, tatap mo lang si Register. And dito naman sa New, which is Globe Reward, tap ko lang to. Globe Reward is taking your experience to the next level. And enjoy one-of-a-kind benefits, complimentary giveaways, and exclusive event. Receive top-tier assistance for any concern regarding your load, promos, and reward. An extra data allowance, reward, points, and vouchers Upon mission completion, tap po si get started. And then, this is all for you. Next ko lang yan. Showcase your accomplishment here. Badges. And store for you. View claim, voucher, exciting discount and perks. Active your milestone and get more perks. And discover prime like that. And that one. And then, welcome to Globe Reward. Unlock ko na. So, you will see, spend 985 by June to renew your membership. Oh, so, total spend ko is 2,015. So, premium to pala. And dito sa baba, buy super exclusive go plus 19 to unlock Globe Reward and exclusive promotion in mission. Okay. And in 62 days. Roaming expert like this mission 10 points reward. And then, back ko. Kasi before, kapag once na na-activate na yung ating ating load, kapag once na naglo-load tayo ay meron tayong reward. So, kaya in-install ko ito and I'm going to find out sa mga susunod kung makakapag-earn tayo ng reward since ginamit ko itong Globe 1. Kasi dito na sa Globe 1, yun naman ang sabi. And dito sa Go Earn, and extra income become a rocket retailer. Okay, earn by selling promos in load. Pwede rin tayo dito mag extra earn. Let's start your business now. Submit application na to become retailer by tapping the get started. Okay. So, earn by selling promos in load. Saka na lang yan. And then, makikita din po natin dito kung ano yung mga promos. Yan, ito yung aking account. And kapag gusto maglo-load naman tayo, lalagay lang po dyan. And may top pick like that. Okay. So, punta lang ako sa home. Okay, nakapag-join na ako dito. And sa susunod ay i-update ko kayo regards to this. Kung makakapag-earn ako ng points. Kasi hindi ko pa makita. Kasi before, every time na maglo-load tayo, automatically makaka-receive tayo ng earn. And dito sa track your usage, matatrack din po natin yung ating data. All access data, 6.16 gig. And then Prego share, 6.4 gig left out of 8. So, total of 16 gig. Kapag once na naglo-load ako. And check this out. Ito yung mga promo. And like this. Okay. And wala pa ang mga transaction since kakaano ko lang din dito sa Globan. Hope nakapagbigay ako ng knowledge toward to the registering again dito sa Globe 1. Alright. And i-update ko kayo sa mga susunod ko ano yung ating makukuhang reward through this application na Globe 1 under sa Globe. Since yung aking SIM card is Globe. Thank you for watching.